Eyes of Nye. Premiered 2005. Earth, the Power of the Planet. Premiered 2007. Chemistry, a Volatile History. Premiered 2011. Scientific American Frontiers. Premiered 1990. Stargazing Live. Premiered 2011. The Story of Science. Premiered 2010. The Sky at Night. Premiered 1957. Shock and Awe, the Story of Electricity. Premiered 2011. The Gene Code. Premiered 2011. World's Weirdest Events. Premiered 2015. Earth Story. Premiered 1998. Blue Planet Roman 2. Premiered 2017. Oddities. Theyve. Premiered 2010. Becoming You. Premiered 2020. More Becoming You. 347 of 552. The best new TV shows of 2020. 38 of 65. The best educational television shows. 192 of 248. The best documentary series and TV shows. Minefield. Premiered 2017. The World According to Jeff Goldblum. Premiered 2019. Wonders of the Solar System. Premiered 2010. Secrets of the Viking Stone. Premiered 2021. More Secrets of the Viking Stone. 223 of 394. The best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. 14 of 43. The best new TV shows of 2021. 45 of 62. The best new mystery shows of the last few years. A Perfect Planet. Premiered 2021. More A Perfect Planet. 200 of 638. The best original streaming shows of the last few years. 97 of 97. The most chill nature and animal shows to watch. High. Elephant Hospital. Premiered 2021. More Elephant Hospital. 122 of 394. The best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. 186 of 638. The best original streaming shows of the last few years. 96 of 97. The most chill nature and animal shows to watch. High. Headspace Guide to Meditation. Premiered 2021. Breakthrough. Premiered 2015. Alien Worlds. Premiered 2020. More Alien Worlds. 412 of 434. The best new Netflix original series of the last few years. 300 of 313. The best sci-fi television series of all time. Wonders of the Universe. Premiere 2011. Cosmos, Possible Worlds. Premiere 2020. The Secrets of Quantum Physics. Premiere 2014. The Planets. Premiere 19,992,017 Science Channel. Space's Deepest Secrets. Premiere 2016. Outrageous Acts of Science. Premiere 2013. Let's Get Inventin. Premiere 2006. The Living Planet. Premiere 1984. DIY Sci with Steve Spangler. Premiere 2016. Nye the Science Guy. Premiere 1993. More Nye Science Guy 27 of 83. The best after-school shows from the 90s. 107 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate. 136 of 142 the most annoying kids shows of all time. The Blue Planet. Premiere 2001. The Universe. Premiere 2007. How the Universe Works. Premiere 2010. Beakman's World. Premiere 1992. More Beakman's World. 217 of 1322 the best guilty pleasure TV shows. 185 of 406 the best children's shows of all time. Through the Wormhole. Premiere 2010. How It's Made. Premiere 2001. More How It's Made. 10 of 44 the best current reality shows that make you a better person. 3 of 38 the best Discovery Channel shows of all time. Cosmos, A Personal Voyage. Premiere 1980. Planet Earth. Premiere 2006. More Planet Earth. The best songs about nature. 96 of 339 the best TV shows of the last 20 years. 186 of 640 the best TV shows to binge watch. Cosmos, A Spacetime Odyssey. Premiere 2014. More Cosmos, A Spacetime Odyssey. 7 of 24 current TV shows you totally lie about watching to sound smart. 51 of 106 the best rainy day shows to watch when you're bored and stuck inside. MythBusters. Premiere 2003. More MythBusters. 20 MythBusters myths you were saddest to see busted. The best seasons of MythBusters. 273 of 277 the most overrated TV shows of all time. Nova. Premiere 1974. More Nova. 7 of 40 the best current affairs TV shows. 5 of 259 the best documentary series and TV shows.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.